everyone, Natasha here. Welcome to Natasha's Healthy Living, where we are nurturing wellness naturally. One of the ways that I like to do that is by using products from Jordan Essentials, which are made in Missouri. They are botanically based. They have lots of great skincare and wellness solutions like magnesium products. And I have been with the company since 2004, so I've continually loved it and continually keep using it around my home, and I love to share it with you. So I have for you today the June Joyful Jordan box, so we can take a look at that. So stay tuned for that, and welcome to my office. Welcome back to my home. I'm so glad you're joining me today. So as I mentioned, I have the June Joyful Jordan box. It's a Friday afternoon and we are enjoying our first full week of summer break. My daughter has been taking it nice and slow this morning. I have also done the same thing and just worked on some journaling and bookkeeping projects, and now we're here up in my office so I can share this with you. So I'm really excited because each month the Joyful Jordan box is a new exclusive collection of items. Typically it's valued at least $40. Often it's more. I think this month it's around $43, $44, something like that. I added it up earlier. The box is $30, and if you subscribe and have it automatically ship out to you each month, it'll just charge your card, but you won't pay anything for shipping. So you get free shipping with a subscription. Of course, you can pause and cancel your subscription at any point. So I have one customer who's taking a break for the summer. I have other customers who keep it on auto subscribe every month, no big deal. And they love getting these products as a little surprise gift to themselves each month. And I have a few customers that check out my sneak peek in my VIP group over on Facebook at the end of the month. And they let me know if they want to pause and skip the next month or get that box. So you can do it any way you want. These also make a great gift because obviously it's cute packaging. It says open a little joy on the side. And on the back, it's ready to go with a label. So if you wanted to reuse your box and put a mailing label on it, you can. And they're just a really nice way to get introduced to the Jordan Essentials world, see what our products are about, and, try things out to decide if you want to buy more. All right, so without further ado, let's take a look. I will have my shopping link in the description box down below, so you can check that out. Each box is a little bit of awesomeness, so that's awesome to see that little message there. And each Joyful Jordan box is going to come with a card, and the card is great because if you are gifting it or if you're just new to the company, it's going to tell you a little bit about the products on the back, but the front is going to be just a little motivational or inspiring message. I often frame these. I have a little 4x6 frame I got at the dollar store, and I keep that on my desk if it's a really cute card or an inspiring card that I like. So for this month, we have this red, white, and blue themed card, which kind of gives us a clue as to what we have in store for us. And it says, "Thank you for choosing Jordan Essentials, made with love in the heart of Nixa, Missouri. For 25 years, we've created clean, effective products with one goal in mind, to care for you and the people you love. Each item is thoughtfully crafted, hand-touched with heart, and made right here in the USA. When you choose Jordan Essentials, you're choosing confidence, connection, and a company that puts people first. From our family to yours, we're honored to be part of your wellness journey." And that's one of the many reasons why I like this company, is their culture and their integrity is beyond anything I've experienced. Our customer service is a dream. I wish every company would have customer service as good as ours. And of course the products work and they're really healthy and good for my family. So I continually love using them. All right, on the back of the card, we have our little sneak peek at what's in the box this month. So the first thing we're going to start with is our Spritz and Bliss Magnesium and Raspberry Toner Mist. So we do have two options on a toner mist in our catalog currently. It's called Spritz and Bliss. That's our general name for our toner mists. So just as any other toner, if you've used a toner before, the benefit is it's going to help balance the pH on your skin after you cleanse. And whatever you put on your skin after that will then work that much better because your pH is balanced. It's also going to hydrate and just add some nutrients back that your skin needs. So this is an exclusive blend. It's our Raspberry Spritz and Bliss. So this is not in our regular catalog. You can only get it in the June 2025 Joyful Jordan box. This says, hydrate, tone, and refresh. Spritz and Bliss is your skin's happy place in a bottle. Juicy raspberry facial toner mist with soothing magnesium is your one quick spritz and glow. Magnesium calms, reduces redness, and supports skin's natural barrier. It's soothing, balancing, and replenishing. Raspberry extract, rich in antioxidants and vitamins, fights free radicals, promotes healthy skin tone, and delivers a burst of natural hydration and glow. And it'll also tell you on the card how to use the products. So it says, close your eyes and mist onto clean skin morning, night, or midday for a refreshing boost. Used after cleansing and before moisturizing or over makeup for a dewy finish. Great as a setting spray for makeup too. So a couple of notes. First of all, sorry about the noise in the background. Of course, as soon as I start filming, someone in my neighborhood, I think, is cutting down a tree. So bear with me as we have the neighborhood noises in the background. But secondly, I just like to mention to anyone who's kind of new to the world of magnesium topical skincare products, magnesium is a salt. We use magnesium chloride in most of our products. We have a couple other variations of magnesium that we use in our Magnesi sleep supplement. So it just kind of depends on the product. But essentially, it's a salt. So if you have very dry skin, if you have, open wounds that are healing, if you have cuts or scrapes or anything that's kind of raw, tender skin to begin with, you probably don't want to use the magnesium product on that skin because it is a little bit it can sting if you're putting salt on anything like that. So just keep that in mind. The only time I've run into issues is if I'm extremely dry, like I've been in the sun too much, or it's been a really cold, bitter, windy winter day and my skin's really dried out, then I kind of skip my magnesium products. But normally my day-to-day skin is great for this, but I just like to let people know that. Now, I will say my skin on my face is pretty sensitive, so I don't always use our magnesium toner mist. But I was looking up the benefits of the raspberry extract that's in this Spritz and Bliss magnesium blend with the raspberry. Tons of great benefits for raspberry extract. So do a quick Google search and look that up. And so I've been using this mostly in the morning because I feel like my face is a little more moisturized after I've had my night cream on, my what is it called? Calm Balm. The Jordan Essentials Calm Balm is what I put on at night. So my skin's really moisturized and fresh in the morning. So it works good for me then. I don't necessarily use it at night after I've done kind of my deeper cleanse and scrubbed my face a little bit more. So just kind of keep that in mind. But I love the benefits of the raspberry extract. So I've really been enjoying just the overall effects of it. Also, it is not raspberry scented. So I just want to clarify that too. I think it's an unscented product, or it's our normal, like very light scent that comes in any of our toner mists. It's not really a scented product, I don't think. But I know there's no raspberry scent. It's the raspberry extract that we're using in there. Okay, moving on to product number 2, which is our White Citrus Vanilla Twist Shea Butter. So this is a 4-ounce tube of our classic shea butter, but it's in this exclusive scent called White Citrus Vanilla Twist. So I want you to think about citrus and vanilla and imagine what other product in your life you've come across that was orange and vanilla flavored. And keep that in mind as I talk about this. So our shea butter is so wonderful for moisturizing your skin without leaving that greasy, slick, slimy feel. I know a lot of people tell me they don't like lotions because of how their skin feels, but ours soaks in, it's all botanically based, and it just leaves your skin soft and moisturized. So it says, hydrate and smooth, indulge your skin with pure African shea butter blended for soothing hydration. This creamy formula melts into dry, rough, or sun-exposed skin, nourishing deeply and beautifully hydrating. How to use: apply directly on the skin for a deep, moisturizing, and soothing feeling. And I have opened this already because I was really excited to smell it. just like I would imagine a citrus and vanilla, I guess I'll put the lid back on, citrus and vanilla blend. So those wonderful dream pops, is that what they were called? They're orange pops, those push pops that we had as kids that were orange and vanilla. It's just like that. Oh my gosh, it smells great. It's not real strong. That's one of the things I like about all of our products is they never do a heavily scented product. It's very lightly scented. It soaks in beautifully. Like my skin is just soft and moisturized now. And I love that scent. It's very light. It's going to be really fun to have this as kind of a treat through the summer months. And this is a 4-ounce size bottle, which you can get our shea butters in 4 ounces in the catalog. But like I mentioned, this scent is exclusive to this box. So that's another really good one. And I'll also tell you a little side story for a minute. So we have an annual convention for just the leaders in our company. So anyone who's a director or higher in our direct sales company. And so I get to attend those. They're usually in January, which is really nice. It's a great time to reset, kind of refocus and get reconnected with our fellow leaders and other people in the company, and then the company as a whole and our mission. So this past year in January, we had a really fun session where we did roundtables, and each group of leaders got to suggest 1 month's theme for all the Joyful Jordan specials. So we usually have the Joyful Jordan box. We have a customer special, which is $5. And if you spend $50, you get that one product for $5, and it's different every month. We have a host special. So if you do any sort of party host, whether it's just a text party or a Facebook Messenger party, or you actually have people come to your home and host in person, that item is special that you get to choose as a host. And we have a join special. So if you join the company, become a consultant like me, where you get your 25% discount off all your products that you purchase and have your commission that comes right into your e-wallet, then there's a special when you join that month. So each group got to select the 4 specials for the month. And this was one that was suggested by one of the groups, is they said, let's do this red, white, and blue theme as we're getting close to the 4th of July here in the US. So we have the red raspberry spritz and bliss. We have the white citrus vanilla twist. And this was another product suggestion, which was to do that orange dreamsicle scent. And then the blue, which was also suggested, was a blueberry scented product. So this is blueberry pure and clean glycerin soap, and it is kind of a berry scent, but it's not a real strong berry scent. I am not a huge fan of berry scents. I prefer things like vanilla and our oatmeal milk and honey, or just like the clean kind of soapy scents, like our Sea Spa is one of my all-time favorite scents too. But this is nice. This is just a little fruity. It's not over the top, and I could see us using this and enjoying this for the summer. So this is dye-free, paraben-free, and phthalate-free, just like all of our products. So let's see, the blueberry glycerin soap, it says cleanse and nourish, our new favorite hand soap with natural phthalate-free fragrance and dye-free mica colors, perfect at the sink or shower, made with hydrating glycerin and lots of love, as it is hand poured into an easy travel container. So how to use, you just wash your hands or use it in the shower with a cloth or a scrunchie. And these glycerin bars of soap are really nice because you just kind of hold it. I usually pull the sides open a little bit because you kind of have to break the seal. They're actually poured in these containers. And then you can pop it out once you get the seal broken. It takes a minute just to work it loose. It's coming. There we go. Now that side popped out. And then you have your bar of soap. I'm trying to pop it out without dropping it. There we go. So you have your bar of soap that you can use. And then if you're traveling, you can just pop it back in there and put your lid on and you're ready to go. Sometimes what I've done with our charcoal bars of soap too is I just leave it in the container and I take my wet washcloth and rub it across the top of the bar of soap and use it that way too. So we have that really fun red, white, and blue theme for this June Joyful Jordan box, plus some really great products that are all exclusive to the box, and a great chance for you to try out something like our glycerin soap, which we have other ones in the regular catalog, just not this blueberry scent. And like I mentioned, we have shea butters in the catalog, and we have Spritz and Bliss in the catalog, all in different scent combinations. So this is a great chance just to try the product itself. And if you love this scent, then you could buy another box before the month is out. But if you think, okay, this scent was nice, but I want to see what else is in the regular catalog, then you kind of know what the product is like, and you can just pick out a new scent to try from the regular catalog. So we have lots of great specials in the month of June. So besides our June Joyful Jordan box, which will be a special buy, I'm really excited because the customer special is our favorite mineral sun stick. This is last year's, so it's looking a little worse for wear, but I love these because it's a real easy application. It's a beeswax base. It blends into the skin nicely. It leaves your skin soft and smooth. Washes off okay when you need to with soap, but it's a little bit water resistance because it is a beeswax base, and it is a broad spectrum SPF 30 mineral sun stick. So this will be our June customer special, and it'll be for $5 if you spend $50 whenever you purchase. So that's something really cool to keep in mind. Then our join special, if you decide you want to join the company and be on my team and get all the support and everything that we need to, keep our businesses going, but also just have that great 25% discount off of all of your own purchases. Then our Sunshine Vitamin C Serum, which is our new serum that just launched, and it's like the best of all the serums put together. So I love this one. This is actually my empty bottle I need to reorder, but I used it all up because it was so good. So this is your join special, and it's a bonus item. So I believe this just comes in your kit as a bonus item when you join in June. So that's really exciting. We have that too to keep in mind. And then our host special, if you decide you want to host a party. I don't have the exact products here, but this is kind of representing them. So it's actually a bigger bottle of our Tone and Firm lotion. So this is a smaller 3-ounce travel bottle, but it'll be a bigger one with a pump on it. And I love our Tone and Firm lotion. It has pink grapefruit and caffeine infused. So it smells really fresh. It has that citrus smell, and it also works really good to tone and firm your skin. So great for those legs that might be exposed a little bit more in the summer. I just like it as an all over body lotion after I shower in the summer. So you'll get that bigger pump bottle. And then this is our Cute Craze, that is our regular catalog item, and it's just representing the scrub. So you're actually going to get our coffee scrub, which only comes out every once in a while. Last time we had it was in a Joyful Jordan box, I think in October. So it'll be the same size 4-ounce bottle, but it'll be our coffee scrub. So it's like a shower gel with those exfoliating coffee grounds, or ground up coffee beans in it to help exfoliate, and it again has that little boost of caffeine, and it smells really good. So those two together are your host special when you host a party, whatever the party might look like, digital or in person or otherwise. So those are all the great things that are coming for you in the month of June. If you have questions or want to know more about anything, definitely leave me a comment down below, and I'm happy to connect with you. I'll have all my links in the description box. If you do want to click over and join my VIP group, there's just a couple of questions, and then I'll let you join in there. And that way you can find out, like I said, an early sneak peek of the next month's Joyful Jordan box always comes to my VIPs. Plus you just get extra little opportunities to earn freebies when I do giveaways, and find out a little bit more about behind the scenes and Jordan Essentials and all the things. So thanks for joining me. I hope you have a good one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button down below. And you'll be seeing this on June 1st. And I'm also coming out with my Sunday reset as a mom. And I'll have a freebie, which is a checklist you can download for that as well. So if you want to check out my other video and see my Sunday reset, be sure to click over to that. And if not, then I'll just see you in the next one. Have a good one and a great June and start to the summer. And I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.